How to fix Canva issues such as error 404, error 9f087dba98eb424f-EWR, login problems. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix Canva issues depending on your problems. The first problem is could not log in or couldn't open the design error. You can fix this problem by refreshing the page. Reload the page to fix the issue. You can also clear the browsing data, cache and cookies. To delete cache and cookies and the browsing data, click on the three dots icon. Click on delete browsing data. Here select all time. Make sure that all the boxes are checked. And click on delete data. After deleting the data, try to run Canva. Bad internet can also be a reason for the login problem in Canva. So check if internet is working properly on your computer. For this, click on the internet access icon. The computer is connected with the internet. Check if other sites are working properly. If internet is not working properly, then you can reset network. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings, and click on Network Reset. Over here, click on Reset Now, this button. Your computer will restart after 5 minutes. After restarting, check if the issue is fixed. If you are running Canva in a browser, you can try running the Canva in a cognito mode. And log in there. If the issue still persists, update your browser. Click on the three dots, scroll down, go to Help, About Google Chrome, select this option, checking for updates, updating Chrome, let the updating complete. After updating, relaunch the browser. And then try to access Canva. If you get internet connection lost error, then disable VPN. If you are connected to a VPN or installed any third-party VPN software, uninstall it. For this, right-click on Start, select Installed Apps. Find if any VPN software is showing in this list. To be fair, I have not installed any VPN software. I am showing you an example here. Suppose this is the VPN software. Then click on three dots for the software and click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall. If any uninstallation wizard appears, follow the on-screen instructions to completely remove the software. Then restart your computer and check if the issue is fixed. Error 404. This error usually means that a work is unpublished or the link is broken or it is processing DNS changes. Some ways to fix this include republishing the Canva website, waiting up to 72 hours for domain propagation, checking the URL is correct, or relinking the domain in setting. Check if Canva is facing outage. The next method is, if the issue still persists, check Canva server status. Check here. If all the designs and pages are operational, then it is fine. If any of the pages are facing outage, then wait until the server is repaired. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.